little slimy on the bottom.
Texture. Smoky meat alley.
My sandals were wet. Buenas tardes, everyone. We are in Oaxaca, and we just flew in from Mexico City, Ciudad de Mexico.
And we have arrived on the last day of the what did I say it was? Huelaguetza festival. So we've come to the markets to check it out.
Spicy. Sí, thank you.
Buenos dias. This morning we're on a tour and we've come to Hierve el Agua, which is this beautiful water pool waterfall. Picked up at 6:30 this morning and our host Ruscio took us to a little Oaxacan breakfast and now we're at Hierve el Agua. These pools are all mineral water and everybody's having a little soaking it up. Not Jed. How's the waterfall?
It's gorgeous. It's very cold. My sandals were wet.
Not the tevas.
We'll keep you updated.
Every pool.
Oh,
Brown,
Yep.
but this because when we drink water, when mineral water become brown. It looks like boiling, right? Yeah, that's why this place called like that. But it's just fresh water, no warm water.
heart rate went to 150. This waterfall of natural minerals was formed over a couple of thousand years. And up there, there's a little joining stalagmite and stalactite. And our guide has told us that they're only this far apart, and to make them connect, they're going to need another 1,000 years, which is pretty impressive.
It matters.
Back up.
Yeah. So you have 2 pools to swim. The story said if you swim in this water, you become 2 years younger, okay?
Get in a few times.
Yeah.
Now for a swim. Going in. How's the swims?
Very good. A little slimy on the bottom. Apparently it's taken 2 years back.
2 years off you?
It's back to 32 now, maybe.
Feeling good? Feeling good.
Perky.
Two more stops on the tour. I think we're going to a textile workshop and then a Mezcal factory, which after the last few nights on Mezcal, we're not too sure about it, but we will see.
Gracias, niña.
Once you move back, okay? Yeah, that's that. All the time, the fibers comes dirty with a lot of family.
We've stopped at a very colourful hacienda to learn how to make some rugs in a very traditional manner. Our guide, he's a 4th generation in the family of up to 90 people, and he's taken us through how to make all these rugs by hand using the weaving process, and also how they made all the different colours and textures by using different natural ingredients from around the local area.
La infección de los nopales, ya es común. Ya de nuez. Esto es un trabajo que se ha ido más. I need to work on the 2 pedals to make the lines side to side.
Next stop, Mezcal.
It's a cone oven, like this form. The flavors from the mezcal is
Mezcal dog. Mezcal dog too.
Drink mezcal always is a good experience and is easy.
Mezcal.
Es gratis, el cambiador,
Et tú,
el
salud.
toile, al baño 5 pesos y el shower 20
Blow it out.
gracias a nuestro día. Turn your glass wake of the mezcal, okay? My grandpa say the spirit of aromas. A flower is more gentle, you know? And because it's the second option.
Morning.
It's very pretty.
We're on a walking tour today in Oaxaca with the hostel. 13 people and Blaine and I trailed on the back, but we're having a good time. Yoga this morning. Blaine's first yoga.
Got told I was a natural.
He signed up for every day. Does anyone know what the church is?
The local church, Oaxaca?
Cactus Church?
I don't think they would call it a cactus church. We'll find out.
What's it called?
Santo Domingo de Gómez.
Guzman.
Guzman.
De Guzman.
De Guzman. Sí.
It's big. We've made it to the market, the 20 Noviembre, which is a massive attraction. There is a big smoky meat alley. Let's go check it out.
We're enjoying a beautiful last day here in Oaxaca. Sun's out and it is glorious.
We've walked to the neighbourhood of Xochimilco, which is the oldest neighbourhood in Oaxaca. We've had a little breakfast at the AM Cafe, some pastries and some sandwiches, delicious. And now we are exploring the street art.
It is a very beautiful little neighborhood. All the houses are painted very vibrant colors. A nice little walk around town.
We have loved Oaxaca. It's been such a good time. Definitely recommend. We're excited to see where we go next. See ya.
Bye.